Hi, and welcome back to the Ultimate Pronunciation course. In today's video, we will be presenting the first lesson in the deep pronunciation section, the vowel sounds E and I, as in bean and bin. Here they are in the IPA chart. These two sounds are very similar, and I am here to help you produce them and tell them apart. You should already be familiar with the E sound from day 2, but we are going to show you the differences so you will be able to know when to use each sound. First, let me demonstrate what the two vowels sound like. Try to hear the difference. E, I, E, I. Now let's take a closer look, shall we? Let's start with a recap of the E sound. To make this sound, you first stretch your lips to form a bright smile. Then put the tip of your tongue behind your lower front teeth. Raise your tongue high in the mouth and keep it tense, like this. You should notice a slight vibration in your vocal cords, and the air comes easily out of your mouth. Like all other vowels, E is a voiced sound. E. Why don't you give it a try? Great job! Now, we're going to learn the second sound in our pair, the I sound. To make the I sound, first make the E sound. E. Feel the tension in your mouth. Next, relax your mouth and tongue and let your tongue drop just a little bit. The tip of your tongue should still be right behind the lower front teeth. Keep your lips relaxed. I, I, I. Try to say E, then say I. E, I. E, I. E, I. Do you feel your tongue getting lower? Take a look at this. You will feel vibrations in your throat as I is a voiced sound too. I. Now you try. Amazing job! One common feature that the two sounds share is that the tip of your tongue is behind your lower front teeth. E, I. E, I. Besides, they are different in many ways. E is tense and I is lax. This means I is more relaxed. When occurring in minimal pairs, E is longer and I is shorter. Listen closely. E, I, E, I. Beat, bit, beat, bit. Your mouth stretches wider with the E sound, while it is more relaxed with the I sound. E, I, E, I. Your tongue is higher when saying E. Look at the diagram. E, I, E, I. Let's try making both sounds again using our 3-stage technique. Here we go. E, E, E. I, I, I. One last time. E, ih. Now you try it with me. Let's say them again with rising and falling intonations. Listen and repeat after me. We'll go with E first. E, E. You try, please. Now try it with I. I, I. Your turn. Fabulous! Now is a good time to pause and give yourself some time to practice if you need it. To get really comfortable with the sounds, we need to use them in words. Here we go. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. E, bean. Now your turn. I, bin. E, feet. I, fit. Now let's say them back to back. Bean, bin. Feet, fit. Now let's say the words again and try it with rising and falling intonations. Please say them after me. Bean, bean. Why don't you give it a try? Bin, bin. Feet, feet. Fit, fit. Brilliant! E is often spelled as EA, as in tea and peace. It can also be presented as EE, as in free and keep, and as IE, as in believe and relief. What about I? How do we spell it? Let me show you. We often find I spelled with an I, as in pig and skip. It can also be spelled with a Y, as in gym and system, and an E, as in receive and rely. Please note that these are only some of the spellings. Please always check your dictionary if you're not sure. Well done! Since you know how to make the sounds, let's get to the fun part, making them.